What's up, guys? We're here back with another one. Today we're going to install CTS Intake, CTS Turbo Inlet, and that's it. Let's get to it.
And if you're new to Horsepower Heaven, I'll be doing car and modification reviews, as well as following custom high horsepower builds. So make sure to hit that subscribe and notification button to stay up to speed.
All right, guys. So the first thing you're going to want to do, sorry, let me readjust. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove this pipe off the turbo inlet. If you can't get it off, you could always take that bolt off right there, the T30, and you can just pull this inlet pipe off after. It's a bit easier. But if you can't get it off, then you can do it that way. So you got to use a pick and just kind of get under it and pull it off. So I'm going to do that right now and then get back to you guys. All right, guys, so here it is. Quick, just T30 screw right there. Take the turbo inlet out, take your pick, shove it under here. It's easier if you don't take the inlet out and you take this off first, because then you don't need a friend to hold that. So I had my friend here hold the inlet while I tugged it off. Then you just disconnect that little tube from inside the air box on the left, the air box right there. You tug up on these things, tug on this, tug on this, tug on this. They're rubber grommets, so it'll pop up and you get it off. And then your secondary air intake hose pops into the side there. If you squeeze these two clips right here on the side, you'll see there's like some grooves on the side, on each side. Oh, there goes the JB4. But yeah, you squeeze the two clips on the side and then it just pulls right off. I took the top plate off here because this piece was kind of in the way, but we'll put that back and then we're good to go. I'm gonna get the new one in and we'll see what's up. All right, guys, I wanted to just show you this. So this literally you just pop it in like this. There's two grooves on the turbo inlet. You literally pop it in like this. And then you rotate it towards you, and then you'll lock up those pins. You can see right there. When you rotate it, let me see if I get closer. When you rotate it, it locks in right there. Okay, so I'm gonna put the T30 back in that hole right there, and then I'm gonna push this back on the fitting there, and then we're gonna get the rest lined up. But I can't do this with one hand, so I'll be back. All right, guys, I couldn't really take a good video of while I was putting it together, but it's fairly easy. I'm gonna just walk it through for you here. So you literally take that the T30 torque screw off from the back of the turbo inlet. You pick this thing off with your pick tool. You change the silicone connector. You put this little box back together. You put the cone on. There's 3 rubber grommets. They screw. You basically just pop them on and screw them onto each black thing, that the old post that the case came off. Put the secondary intake thing into here. Make sure you reconnect the tube either into there or into the bottom of the intake. There's a spot for it on the back of there. And then just tighten down your connectors. Don't over tighten these because you can pop them real easily. And that's it. I'm gonna start the camera up when we start it for the first time. Vlad's really excited, and we're gonna do her up right now. All right, guys, here it is, first start. While we wait for the first start, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, down below, click the button. We're almost there. At 1,000 followers, I'm doing a giveaway. So you guys all comment, do whatever you gotta do, and we'll figure out how we get it done when we get to 1K.
Okay.